This is the Canon SELPHY QX20. Canon claims it'll let you take your phone photos and instantly print them anywhere, in either credit card or square format. But after using it for a few weeks, there's one thing the ads definitely don't mention: the cost and commitment you'll pay per photo. So is it truly worth your hard-earned cash or more of a fun toy? Let's dive in and find out. Canon SELPHY QX20 Printer Overview. Okay, so what exactly is this thing? The Canon SELPHY QX20 is a portable dye sublimation photo printer released in late 2024 as the successor to Canon's earlier SELPHY Square QX10. Its pitch: a compact printer you pair with your phone, iOS or Android, over Wi-Fi Direct, letting you print small, wallet/sticker-style photos on the go, without needing a computer or wired connection. Where it stands out is flexibility. Unlike many rivals that only do one print shape, the QX20 supports both credit card 2.1 by 3.4 inches and square 2.7 by 2.7 inches formats, switchable via paper sets and the proper ink cassette. Canon SELPHY QX20 Printer Performance. Specs are one thing. How does this thing feel day to day? Speed and workflow. Once your phone connects via Wi-Fi Direct, takes about 5 to 6 seconds, the printer gets to work. The dye sublimation process takes 4 passes: cyan, magenta, yellow, overcoat, and typically finishes a print in 45 to 50 seconds. Color and sharpness. In my tests, portraits, landscapes, and everyday snapshots came out pleasantly vivid. Colors tend toward true to life, though the printer struggles a bit in very dark or highly saturated scenes. Blues and purples sometimes veer. Fine detail is okay. Readable text on a billboard in a landscape works. Battery and endurance. Canon claims around 20 prints per charge, which aligns with many reviews. I got similar numbers in real-use tests. The QX20 is a bit better than the QX10 in that you can charge while printing, so you might circumvent downtime. But still, if you plan to take this out for a day of snapping and printing, weddings, parties, etc., the battery is a clear limiting factor. Features and tech highlights. Let's pick apart the features that make or break this thing. Dual print format, card plus square. This is the headline. You can either use card-size paper or square paper with appropriate ink in one device. No need to commit to just one print shape. Many fun instant film printers force you pick one or the other. The trade-off is switching formats involves changing the ink cassette and paper tray guides. It's doable, but a little fiddly. Borderless printing and overcoat effects. You can print borderless up to 3 edges, and it supports special overcoat patterns, transparent emblems or shapes which catch light. Enhances aesthetics when displayed. Compared to the QX10, this is a welcome upgrade. Sticky back paper and labels. The paper has an adhesive backing, so your prints can double as stickers or labels, great for scrapbooks or decorating walls or cases. Many instant film options don't offer that out of the box. Design and build. Visually, Canon kept things clean and minimal. The outer shell is plastic but feels solid. No creaks under normal handling. There's a single power button with 2 LED indicators on the top and a USB-C port for charging on one side. The output slot is exposed, no flap, which means dust or particles can creep in if you're not careful. In terms of portability, at 455 grams without consumables and dimensions around 102 by 146 by 33 millimeters, it's not feather light. It fits in a larger pocket or bag, but is heavier than many competing instant photo printers. The trade-off is you can load up to 10 sheets at once, which gives you a little buffer before reloading. Pros. Dual format printing, card plus square, gives creative flexibility. Nice color fidelity and overall photo quality for a portable printer. Sticky back prints let you use these as stickers or labels. App is robust with editing, collages, border, and overcoat options. Cons. Battery life is limited, approximately 20 prints. Recurring costs are steep. Ink plus paper is pricey per print. No app indicator for how many prints or ink you have left. Switching print formats is a little fiddly.